Hey everybody, Don Dabney from Left Coast Classics, and this is just a really nice little 1964 Volvo 544. And in this video, I'm going to take you around this car. I'm going to take you underneath this car, but first buckle up because I'm going to take you for a ride in it. This car it gets up and goes. It runs beautifully. It's smooth. The shifting's great. The suspension feels great. It's just a really nice car to drive. Right now we're just at about 60 miles an hour. The horn works, the wipers, the radio, the blinkers. It's in great working order all around, so it makes it really nice to drive. It's also got a beautiful dash. I hear the downshifting is excellent. I'm going to flip it illegal Yui really quick. It's just a great driving car. These Volvos, they're always a little bit ahead of their time. So now we're pushing 70 miles an hour, no complaints. Car drives nice and straight, feels great. And it's windy outside, and it's just driving fantastic. Sticking to the road like glue. All right, so there you go. Anyway, be sure to check out the rest of the photos. If you're on a third-party site, you should go over to my website, Left Coast Classics, left, opposite of right, leftcoastclassics.com, because there'll be like a secondary set of photos, so there's a lot more photos over there than there are in the third-party sites. Check us out on all the social media sites as well. Also, 3 episodes of Wheeler Dealers. Let's see, 2014, 1957 Ford Thunderbird, back in the Ed China days. We did a... what was it, 2018, we did a 1972 Lancia Fulvia, and then in 2020 on Motor Trend we did a Triumph TR4, actually a one-owner car, super cool car. So if you like Wheeler Dealers, check out those episodes. Keep watching the video because there's a lot more ahead, and if you would, like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, because you may be interested in this car, and other cars you may not be interested in, but it's kind of fun because we drive around in different cars all the time here in the Sonoma wine country. All right, thanks for checking this out. Get in touch anytime. let's head onto the Volvo. And just a pretty original California car here. All these inner sills and things are in great shape. I've noticed just on this side a couple of soft spots on this passenger floor, but that's it. Otherwise super solid. And even as you get back up into the dogleg area, it's super nice and solid. And overall just looks nicely kept. It's got a new set of KY shocks, KYB shocks on the back. Newer set anyway, and nice exhaust system, and there you go. All right, so I got my trusty super light magnet, and it's just kind of nice to walk around and take a look at the body. And I know this is especially valuable to those of you in the Midwest and the East Coast where cars had a lot of salt. This thing is just grabbing so far everywhere I put it. Let's hit the doors. Super consistent. We'll go to the other side now. The fenders are obvious. You can see them from the bottom of the car. Nothing going on there. This is great. Just grabbing it nicely. Okay, we'll hit the doors. Excellent.